Ever walked into work on a Monday, looked at your messy, slow, frustrating processes, and thought, there's got to be a better way? That's where Lean Six Sigma comes in. And trust me, it's not just for big companies or data geeks. It's for anyone who's ready to stop complaining and start improving. So what is Lean Six Sigma? It's a simple but powerful way to make your work faster, smoother, and less stressful. Lean helps you spot and cut out wasted time and effort. Six Sigma? That's all about finding and fixing errors that keep popping up. Together, they help you deliver better, more reliable results, even if you've never heard of quality before. Let's get practical. First, you'll learn to see value like your customer does. Then you'll spot the 8 big types of waste. Think waiting, extra steps, or mistakes. You'll even map out your process so you can actually see where things get stuck. I'll keep it simple, with examples you'll recognize from any office. You'll also get hands-on with tools like Voice of the Customer, SIPOC diagrams, and easy ways to write a problem statement. And don't worry if you're not a numbers person. You'll get a gentle intro to basic data too. Step by step, I'll walk you through the DMAIC roadmap. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control. We'll use check sheets, root cause diagrams, and even tackle a real case study, like slashing customer wait times. By the end, you won't just know the lingo. You'll have a real plan to fix your own process, get your team on board, and show results your boss can't ignore. Ready to stop complaining and start improving? Click and roll, and let's build your first Lean Six Sigma project together.